India's position as a global poultry powerhouse took center stage at the 17th Poultry India Expo 2025, which concluded in Hyderabad after witnessing its largest ever participation. With India ranking second in global egg production and among the top 4 broiler-producing nations, the expo highlighted the sector's rapid expansion and its critical contribution to national nutrition, rural livelihoods and economic momentum. The 4-day event emerged as South Asia's biggest and most influential poultry convergence. Organized by the Indian Poultry Equipment Manufacturers Association, IPEMA, the expo operated under the theme One Nation, One Expo, accelerating innovation, partnerships and knowledge exchange across the value chain. It recorded unprecedented alliances with 16 overseas poultry associations, over 40 national-level bodies, 18 poultry media houses, 15 global media organizations and more than 100 digital influencers. These collaborations not only enhanced global visibility but also strengthened farmer connect and technology adoption across India's fast-growing poultry landscape. BJP MP Dr. K. Lakshman, who attended the event, said India's global standings, second in egg production and fourth in chicken production, are a matter of national pride. The expo set multiple records, hosting 500 exhibitors from 50 countries, attracting more than 50,000 visitors, and spanning 35,000 square meters across 7 world-class halls. Live demonstrations showcased innovations in breeding, genetics, hatchery automation, feed milling, ventilation systems, veterinary diagnostics, sustainable egg processing, manure management and green poultry technologies. Sessions also addressed pressing challenges including emerging diseases, sustainability models, raw material volatility, and adoption of smart technologies. The valedictory session saw an overwhelming response, with Poultry India President Uday Singh Bayas thanking the Telangana government for its support to the poultry industry. He urged relaxation of the 40-foot road access rule and removal of certain HMDA norms to ease establishment of new poultry units. Aligning with the vision of Viksit Bharat 2047, the expo empowered farmers, veterinarians, researchers, entrepreneurs and students, marking the beginning of the next phase of India's poultry-led economic transformation.